Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano sedi etie.
Menkwa meka sedi esimi etie dem ase. Nyame enhiro bibia so ajebre na ohwe bedwam on Adom TV. Na otwetwam de e asem dika ehye kakra. There were other equally important dwumadie bi aye di nti o se de makwan kakra eme no so etimi epiama ne ko. E dem asamote ase esa ya hye ya wie. Ti anya wie de asem dika no edemu a ekosa. Me de akosi insia ye fa na sekese kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. O me na kofa Kingdom Galactic Kingdom Galactic Capsules abadwa so. Mesra wada awode ojo ba bia enje. Ntidi yade na etiti wo cholesterol e wo soro. Adura ohia eye Kingdom enupai ebi. Ubenya ne bitters adaso ubenya ne capsules se de timi etiem. Bitters no eye ensuo de no. Na capsules no eye topai. Ni nyina ye adwuma kro. Mesro kwa entombom. So de eye obi ono pe ensuo de. Aduro no pe ensuo de. Obi su pe topai obetimi amene. Ultimi emena mpacho jinsuo de no. Na eso tintin same no. Ena wuntimi so enum so na petopai de na wage se ne ya biam se no. Ni nyina ye adwuma kro na Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. And for New Kingdom Jason Power Capsules, memedro. We are making a count. New Kingdom Jason Power Capsules, and papa. Bema yosem et me remude. Ube jina wona so abrane. Ube kwasa babiem. New Kingdom Jason Power Capsules. O me be aton do be am store da kwa se be ka bi aton. Wona pedo do motu aton bie. Me say ne enu kwa na aduru akodura to se santem pa. Cause me matiase una hodi a ewo mu. 0275 804064 0275 804064 and as 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. Alepa yedi enkomo about illegal mining. Any idea say Ghana egusua higher sa any idea see sa ya jomba bia enye. Now over the weekend commodity because so on TV3. Let's credit them. They deserve it. The Minister for Food and Agriculture, Honorable Eric Opoku, Echi enkomo. No kasembia a strike my adwie pa tie. Ana enyam TV3 for the code card. What say? Some of our people are conniving with the illegal miners. How can you aid people killing you? Ask Agriculture Minister Eric Opoku. The Minister for Food and Agriculture what say? Yan kasa yan krofo. O yan this new. What say ya yan krofo? And the name Galamsey free atukana. No, be so say. Den obi a wo di o man na wu, wo di wa wu, obeti na kwa na krana, enti wankasa ho awusa. As for minister dey bisa no. Eti na no ani e bisa se. Ni e ka se. Ni e simo se. Ena NDC ba pawai. NDC mpanifo bi na agye gire mu a omo di Galamsey no anim. Ye kan na sabi ye kan anofafa keke o. Ni ye kan anofafa keke. But ni ye kan what ase say ye nim ni ye kan. This is a Minister for Food and Agriculture. O se mewura batio. Ye na ye nkrofo ena ni Galamsey fo no aka paremu. Eno do my Ghana wu. And then we can say His Excellency John Dramani Mama. With all due respect, I repeat again. But see, the only thing left for us as a country to be able to deal with Galamsey is the political will, not political talk. It's a political will. Or Pepani say, me ye NDC ni, me ye NDC penny, but who say me ye NDC ni be for Galamsey so. Memo my mama na nedi e ho ne adru. That's the only thing. That is the only thing. Say the Minister for Food and Agriculture and spoke about the way Galamsey say ye nnuane e wo man mu. What's the way Galamsey say ye nyane ewo memu ene eku a abepo Ghana de hye. Enough for tomatoes na so twemu a nyame nko ananim. Ufama kona kamu a nyame nko ananim. Je ne kra de yenka. Because ni pabonifo bi diskapeni bre atie sinwure mu a wo sai bibia on de no so opesika. Time keto na president mama ebisa as on declare state of emergency because I believe says the last resort. I said no. Me already from day 1 2024 yes I call declare state of emergency starting and catch them say that is not a panacea to deal with the Galamsey. Me can now say it again. Ye de no credit na adwuma ye de no 2024 na mpedifo bi kase president Kufuor declare state of emergency me gina ha ka say that is not the way out. Enye na aban asesa na mesama no. I still stand by what I said. Declaring a state of emergency is not the way to win illegal mining. The political will. And your political talk. Me say you for kase man pedi kase. Oh, Galamsey, you be this no. The will ya man pedi be kase no say me ye NDC ni. E ti say me NDC peni bi e ye Galamsey. Me as John Dramani Mahama, leader of the NDC, I will let the Lord deal with that person. That is the way out. Now declare state of emergency nya so ya for grad Adom. Yeah? Asuja for any police radio kwa ever so be baso. Ti asuma minister for food and agriculture e kan ye how Galamsey e say ye nuane. Hwe video yi.
Yes, we are blessed with the gold. Find their ways into the food that is produced. We are doing something that is inimical to the health of our population.
When you find the toxins in the soil, say you go to a place like Konongo where we are told that there are very, very high mercury in the soil, you find it there, then what next? What are you able to do for the farmers?
In fact, when you find it, it means that that soil must be treated.
Okay.
You have to reduce that thing in there. It is something that is polluting the soil.
Yeah.
So you get it out. You treat the soil.
But it will be challenging for you if we continue to mine with these.
It is. As for the illegal mining, it is not a matter of being a challenge to me as a minister or to me as a citizen of this country. It is a challenge to all of us as citizens of our country, because we are polluting the environment. We are destroying the land. We are destroying our water bodies. So what future are we bequeathing to the upcoming generation? Yes, we are blessed with the gold, but we have to use proper means to harvest so that we don't destroy the entire environment.
If it is as dire as...
That's the Minister for Food and Agriculture. Meja hol makona mekasa President Mahama in opposition can say me say Sebe deal with Galamsey. Yansha the Kingpins behind. Yansha the Kingpins behind Galamsey in Ghana. I'll continue to ask and remind our president. The Pachoba, how far any etmia tracy the Kingpins behind Galamsey in Ghana? That's my question. How far, 8 months down the line, and yet me identify the Kingpins behind Galamsey? So to come now, the Minister of Food and Agriculture need to be 3-4 years now. The danger here don't mind Ghana anymore. A so chance in the the danger ahead of us. A so chance in the team. I think last week or two, it's not mean you able airport. We ain't crying, seven I'm making. And your baby, a mine you and crying. I said I'm making. May show video be a minion and cassa a year. Nadia she and crying, son I'm making. Shedding so ya no bu on the kitchen. And me. Shadi. To TV so. And crying. And crying. In so ya no be on the kitchen. Be so the wow she. Shebi. We ye enkran. We ye baby ya. We ye western north. We ye western region. We ye the northern part near ye mining no. And a we ye ahafo. And a we ye central diaso. And a we ye Ashanti regional. We ye enkran. Et ye said a baby who ye nti. We was as many a Canadian chantruntino. Ni man try outside so can we ye enkran. It's all think crano you say, oh, ye can't Galamsey Asem, and yam Asem. Ubetu to yampia at the actual beer. Kosuane koso. Unyameba Kosuane koso. I mean, your why. So, in my way, airport, to be on him, I am random one airport as I'm making. And can no bunsua a bassin. Mumie in a yen din. Nagalamsey no enwure ni pedjem. Yeah, for a second, say, come a Kingdom Herbal Center, I'm not for Kingdom Garlic Bitters, and I have Kingdom Garlic Capsule, the Abajaso. There be a catch us a drone was what the Shabajaso, a boy, yes, and a bear. You bet me to your dear, I see a pie memoir, and your Kingdom Garlic Bitters, of a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. But so what I say in 3D year, I want to do Jumba beer and ye. Your Kingdom Garlic Bitters, that's a Kingdom Garlic Bitters. What the new Kingdom Jensen Park Capsule Swabba, and a member drew. A boy, my member, yourself to be repayo. Bema de one was and can't get your mom share for a butcher. And they said the Jamaica for money, Ghana for me, maybe number Mugu and Moasano, and Sefata, when your new Kingdom Ginseng power capsules. Now, what to Ghana and baby, I could be at Ghana and him. Or man, baby, I told you be a concert cabiato at the phone frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938-153. Kingdom was no challenger. Yali pese bu eto so asem de kadi amidin ne akwasi ensia background.